canyon they're talking about. It's just a little deep canyon. We're going down some stairs. Going on down there. Oh boy, Haku. Good boy. Holy cow, it's deep down there.
Oh, Mira, look, we're going.
Whoa.
Let's wait here.
Wow, this is where you walk right through here. Look at that. That's pretty awesome. Holy mackerel. Here's the little trail. Pretty amazing stuff up here. This tour, you go up 8 or 9 flights of stairs in different locations, she said. And so there's plenty of time for pictures and stuff. Wow. Hey, watch your head when you're walking through here. I just whacked myself on that thing right there, taking a picture going the other direction. Pretty awesome stuff here. There he goes. Holy mackerel. You know, once you walk forward, just turn around and see where you just came. Yeah. Different views, different lighting. Pretty cool pictures you can take here.
Haku.
I just went around one little corner and looked back up this way. Look at that. Pretty amazing. This is the lower Antelope Canyon tour we're on.
Right now it's perfect.
Hello. Just through that crack, right through there. Okay. She didn't want me to get too close to the edge, but see, it's right along that. That's what created all that. Pretty awesome. Ooh, you got to do this. Lower Antelope Canyon. Well, the little man did it. He sure did. He helped us. And it's just a short little walk back up there for some water, and that's it. Okay? Lower Antelope Canyon, Arizona. You gotta do this once in your life. It's really fun. That's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.